In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture your live Lovable.dev app preview in Chrome and bring it into Figma using HTML.2.design. To begin, open your live application preview directly inside the Lovable.dev editor in Google Chrome. Make sure the preview you want to capture is fully loaded and visible on screen before moving on. This matters because the extension will read the current web page layout as it appears in your browser, so it helps to have the final view ready, including any sections you want imported into Figma. Once your live preview is open, go to the Chrome toolbar and click the HTML.2.design extension icon. This step captures the web page layout file from the page you currently have open. If you use Chrome with several extensions installed, you may need to open the extensions menu first and then select HTML.design from the list. After clicking it, give the extension a moment to process the page. The goal here is simply to grab the layout from your live app preview so it can be recreated inside Figma. If the page is complex or includes a lot of content, it may take a few extra seconds to complete the capture. During this part, it's a good idea not to switch tabs too quickly or refresh the page, since you want the extension to finish collecting the structure cleanly. As long as your preview is visible and stable, the process should be straightforward. Next, switch over to your Figma tab in the browser. Have your file open and ready so you can move directly into the import step without interruption. Inside Figma, launch the HTML.2.design plugin. This plugin works together with the Chrome extension you just used, allowing you to take the captured web page layout and bring it into your design workspace. When the plugin opens, follow its interface to access the page capture you just created from Chrome. This is the handoff point between your live Lovable.dev preview and your editable Figma design. From there, the imported layout can be placed into your file, giving you a